Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Walex and welcome to my YouTube channel Walex Tech. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you I'm going to show you um the best application that you are going to use to get a virtual dollar card in Nigeria without you having a bank account. So you might be thinking, how is this possible? So you can get a virtual dollar account, like a virtual dollar card in Nigeria without you having a bank account. The only thing you need to have is just like your BVN, and that's it. With this virtual card, you can use this card to make purchase online, maybe a website, like let me say like foreign website, or let me say you like to add your virtual card to your Google Play Store, or to make a purchase online. So there's an application. Okay, before I start, okay, I would like to say something. Please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Then you have to press all. So there is this application I would like to recommend to you guys. Okay, this application I would like to recommend to you guys. This application is Go Money. You just have to go to your Play Store and type Go Money. Then you have to search. So this is it. I already have this application on my phone. So Go Money is a digital bank in Nigeria. Just like a digital bank it is one of the few virtual credit card. you know it it makes payment easier for business owner and people who want to make purchases on foreign websites. With this application called Go Money, you can send and receive money easily in Nigeria, just like bank account, because they also have their own account number. And you can also send money from one account to another. Maybe you have a Zenith Bank, or let me say Kuda Bank, they also have their account number. So it's very much easier, because when immediately you download this application on your phone, you try to open an account with them, you have to upgrade it to level 2, and you are going to get there's a place whereby you're going to choose a virtual card. So when you choose a virtual card, so with your Go Money virtual card, you can link it to your PayPal account. You can make payments with it in USD, and you can also use it to make local payments here in Nigeria. So that's it. And this is the first application I'm going to recommend to you guys, which is Go Money. The second application I would like to recommend to you guys is this application called um what's this thing? Okay, let me see. The the Bata Flutter Wave application. Okay, it's searching. Okay, this is the second application I would like to recommend to you guys. you know like this application, like, is created by Flutter Wave for its user and for every Nigeria to have the chance to make payment online. And having a better feature card will allow you to make payments on website, just like the Go Money application is going to allow you to make payment on websites with your physical card. you know like you will be able to make payments on websites. Maybe if you have a physical card which is being rejected, you just try to come on your Play Store, try to download it better by Flutter Wave. Once you sign up an account with them, you upgrade your account, they are going to give you a virtual credit card whereby you can use it to make payment online and to do a lot of stuff like that. And this like this better by Flutter Wave, though they do charge monthly maintenance fee for each card. I mean, the monthly maintenance fee for each card is $1. So the third application I'm going to recommend to you guys is this application called um yeah okay this application called the Wallet Africa. The Wallet Africa. So I haven't installed it yet on my phone. The only one I already have on my phone is the Go Money Bank. And please try to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to drop a video on how to create an account with the Go Money Bank and how the virtual card works. So like in this video I'm just trying to show you guys um the the application yet, but I haven't opened an account with them. But like I'm going to do that very soon, but I'm just trying to show you guys the the application. So the third application I'm going to recommend to you guys is Wallet Africa. It's just like every other digital bank in Nigeria that give you the full function, you know, the full function, like transaction, and it makes sending and receive money in Nigeria very easy. And it also like you can use this application to pay bills, like you can pay your bills with it. You can also get naira and dollar. Like it also have a virtual card which you can use. Like you can link the virtual card to your PayPal account, to your Play Store. Maybe you like to watch a movie, or let me say download a book, so you can link the card to your Play Store. Maybe if possible, your physical card is being rejected. So once you sign up with them, they are going to give you a virtual card whereby you can use this card to make payment. It's a virtual dollar card though. So please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe because my next video is going to be how to open go bank go bank account and how to upgrade it to level 2. And you're going to see me, like I'm going to show you the procedure because I'm going to show you how you can sign up the go money, the Go Money account, like the Go Money app. You sign up, how you can sign up, and how you can make use of it. So please, if you enjoy watching my video, please also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.